Drive around town.
So we're gonna go wash this car because it's
Ralphie, which one's the key?
it's a mess. I don't know if you can see
know
it.
which one the key is.
No, I
I
don't.
don't know why you act brand new.
We're gonna go wash the car.
Mom, come on. You see the key.
Oh
I don't
my
know
gosh,
why
look
you
at this,
act. You opened the door yesterday.
They act
Yeah,
like
but
this
they
is the
all
first
look
time
the
they
same.
ever opened the door.
Well, Ralphie here, the third. Yeah.
Janitor keys. Look at guys. Listen. Listen.
I don't want to hear when you guys.
As you get older, okay, when you're young, okay, let me tell you, when you're young, all you worry about is one key and the house key. Can you zoom in that?
Oh, you can go get one of these.
As you get older,
Yeah. You only got another week or so.
you get 100 keys.
Yeah, this right now. You can go
Keys
get one now.
for
We'll go wash the car and then we'll go get that.
things you don't even remember they go to. Keys upon keys upon keys. Do you guys got that same problem? It's crazy. But the reason why is because most of these keys are for like the sheds and stuff, so yeah. So oh, here's a good example. Here's a good example. When you're a young driver, you only got 2 keys. You got one key for the car and one key for the house. That's it.
Are you going, Carlos?
And then
I'll just wait till you guys get back.
you, whoops. Then you got keys upon keys, and I just dropped the keys upon keys. Yeah, I know. Anyways, we're gonna go wash the car. You guys are gonna go with me, cause we're gonna go through the car wash thing. Alright, here we are. El Free. Oh, you're gonna kill that coupon.
I know.
Oh gosh, oh gosh. Roll it up, roll it up. Oh yeah, we're going into the lava shield, guys. Look at this. Yeah.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Let's see. There it goes. I think we're going in. Yep. Oh no, we're going backwards.
I know we were. Oh, but maybe it's supposed to. Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Put hands off the steering wheel. So the guy just said, we gotta put it in neutral and hands off the steering wheel. Oh, here we go.
Now we're going.
Oh, we're going in. It's pulling us in, guys. Oh my gosh. Lava flow. What's going on? Look at this.
I didn't see all these colors when I was doing the camera for work the other day. Now it's gonna rain this week.
You get a free vacuum.
Mm-hmm.
Cool, you gonna vacuum it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool.
Where's the towels at?
Just like that, the car is washed. And here, look at, we get free vacuums. There she is, looking good. Alright, so let's go over here. It says, clean towels, please take one. Okay, so we're gonna get here and we're gonna clean the car with them. And so, just to wipe the doors down. Alright guys, so just got the car washed and vacuumed, and now we are on our way to the what is it called?
Bottle drop.
Bottle drop, where we take our cans at. And as you can hear in the background, still got the Christmas music going. So like I said, from Thanksgiving, a little before Thanksgiving,
Beginning of November.
well, yeah, beginning of November, someone here starts with the freaking Christmas music. Yeah, this one right here. And so we listened to it all the way until January. Yeah, crazy, right? I know. But like I said, we're here at the bottle drop, and we're here to drop our cans off. Check it out. So listen, right here's the can drop place where we take our cans.
David?
And
You can't because it's...
And oh yeah, because you just washed the car. But this building here, this is the weed shop where they sell weed. It's called a Hot Box. So this place is always packed. Yeah, so weed is, marijuana is legal here. Look, there's one guy coming out the back there. Look, right there, see him? He's got his little medication in his, well, what they call medication, but their little bag of weed. And like I said, over here is where you put your cans at. Lucky thing is that, see the little, we get green bags and we get a key to open that door up, so we don't have to go right here in this door and count the cans like most of these people. See this lady right here? She probably doesn't have a key because she doesn't have green bags, and so she's got to go inside here and count them. And there's a door right here, right there. But I'll show you real quick. So yeah, let's see right here. Look, the weed shop. You're gonna go through there, right? Look at how packed this is, guys. Look at that. Oh man, it's so packed. And so is this place right here.
You know? What's it?
Hey, Porfino. And there's the weed shop. Look, Hot Box Farms. There it is. Free. You get free smells, man. Go in there and smell the marijuana. But yeah, so there's that. Where you guys went shopping yesterday?
Yeah,
Alright,
that's
guys,
why we
so
brought it to the house.
here we are. Carlos is gonna get his
We're gonna get off.
free milkshake that his cousin got him from baseball. He still has like 2 left and they expire here pretty quick, so.
Oh, Dad. Was Boise State play tonight?
No, they played yesterday for the championship.
Hi.
Hi.
A chocolate shake?
No?
This is...
Yeah, their Christmas tree, guys. Here's our Chucker volleyball team. Then we got the softball team, the basketball team, baseball. We got the men's basketball and the soccer team. Yep, that's it. That's the whole setup, guys. For the college here, that's all the team there. Yeah, see these guys? When I was in school, we used to make these little things that they wrap around the Christmas tree. See it right there? Wraps all the way around. We used to make that in school, and
It looks simple, but it looks nice.
yeah, it looks basic. The colors are nice, the purple and stuff in it, but yeah, it looks too plain.
You think?
Kind of, but I mean, looking at it whole, it looks nice. All right. So I'm gonna show you guys this cool little thing we got too. Alright, so let's see that real quick. So I bought this cool little soccer thing. It was 50 cents. See it? Oh yeah.
She even put whipped cream in there.
Oh yeah, look at that bad boy.
Taste these.
This is like a, what is this? What are those called? A fidget spin?
Whipped cream. I want to try it first. Oh, go ahead and try it.
Carlos, what is this thing called?
Fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner, look at that.
But it's a ball.
But it's a soccer ball. You guys like it?
Oh, I'll use this.
And then we got the sun. Look at it, it's already melted all our snow. That's all we got left. Can you guys see it? Guys,
This is thick like a ice cream.
can you
Milkshake, sorry.
bust out?
That's ice cream. More ice cream than.
Guys, look at, that's all we got left is snow. Right there. That's all you can see on the side. That's it. So that's all the snow we got to our next, supposing our winter storm. But this was pretty cool. 50 cents, guys. Ow! Look at that bad boy spin. You know what would have been really cool if this was the world. If they had this like a the globe. And you spin it. And voila. It says spin and keep calm. So I got this for Carlos. 50 cents, not bad, right? Here, dude. This boy's getting down on that. He's getting down on the milkshake.
Yeah, practice tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, be right back.